Good morning, happy homeowners. Over here in Fullerton, California, getting ready to refinish this original hardwood flooring. And this thing's gonna be beautiful. Today's December 6th, it's my birthday. Say happy birthday. Turning around here. Morning, Seth.
Good morning.
And Seth grew up in this house. Excited to take you in here. This house, some of the areas haven't even been sanded from when they first installed the house. We're going to refinish this right here, make that brand new again. It's got a nice overhang so the weather won't beat it up, but here, it's going to be great. This wood hasn't been touched since they installed it in the 40s. When they built these homes have the old lat and plaster, but the guys would, once the frame was up, the framing in the inside, that's your 2x4s down there, they would install the wood even before the lat and plaster. And then they would come back right before the homeowners moved in, sand it down flat, throw in the varnish. Replace, repair this little area, a couple of termite boards, taking out the old closets. These were all hand nailed. It was cool. Show you a little trick here. So when the old guys would hand nail it, they'd be down on one knee like this. They'd have a cuff right here. Their nails would be here. They'd grab a nail, nail it, grab another nail, turn it sideways, use it to set the previous nail, turn it, nail it, grab a nail, set the nail, nail it, set the nail. And now we get fancy with these nail guns. So this is going to be natural. We're going to do that satin finish, that low sheen, probably the matte. Going to be excited.